Guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Docs add-ons. So first, log into your Google Docs and create a new document. Now head over to the extensions link on the top bar. Click on add-ons, click on get add-ons to get to the add-ons marketplace. So here we'll find various types of add-ons, so anything that apps offers, for example Canva add-ons, Figma add-ons, Atlassian, etc., MailChimp. So just click the add-ons that suits your needs and you wish to install. Click on it and click on install. This will install the add-ons on your Google Doc, and it will appear on the right sidebar when editing and creating your document, and you'll be able to access it when you need it. So this is pretty much it, guys. Your work is done here. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.